So today I'm going to do a quick review of a product that I very recently bought on Amazon. Now the purpose of buying this product was to use it to record my Instagram Reels, videos for my Instagram Reels. But I found that this is much more than that, and it is something that even beginner podcasters can use if you're looking to record your podcast, or if you're not looking to spend a lot of money on buying a good microphone. But this is also a good one. And now you know what is it that I'm talking about. It's a microphone, and it's a lavalier microphone. This is the lavalier microphone that I bought. This is a wireless lavalier microphone. This is a Digitek microphone. The model number is DWM-001 Pro. Now this is a low-cost entry-level lavalier microphone which comes with one receiver and one mic. There are other costlier versions from Digitek which comes with two mics and a receiver, but this is a decent microphone. Now I'll tell you why I'm calling it a decent one, because there is some tests that I did with this microphone and I really liked the sound quality of this one. I'll show you the sound quality towards the end of this video. You can have a look and you will be able to see the difference in audio quality. Right now I'm using a wired lavalier microphone to record this video. Towards the end of the video I'll show you how this wireless lavalier microphone sounds. Now this microphone has a coverage of up to about 10 meters, which is something that you won't need if you're a podcaster, or even if you're recording Instagram Reels like the ones that I am doing right now, talking head videos, because you're going to sit pretty close to your camera or to your smartphone, and you won't need that 10 meters, but this still works up to about 10 meters, and it has a backup time of about 4 hours. The pack, I'll show you, I'll do a quick unboxing and show you what is there inside. Then we can see the sound quality of this microphone and how it works, and why is it that I'm recommending it for podcasters.
Okay, so this is the Digitek DWM-001, the box. It's a nice, simple, small little box. On the back, you'll be able to find some of the specifications of the headset, the radio frequency, the receiver, the working current, and all of those information there. And this is a wireless microphone and a receiver with a Type-C connector. The model name is DW001 Pro. Now, inside the box, there isn't much. You will just find the receiver and the microphone. It is nicely packed, the receiver and the microphone both very small, very handy. The microphone has a clip that you can clip onto your clothes, and the receiver is a very small C-type receiver. Then you get a few accessories, which is one is the cable to charge the microphone. This is a chargeable microphone, and a small pouch which is like a carrying case that you can use to carry it. The cable is decent enough because you will have to use your laptop or a power adapter to charge the microphone. It has a battery backup of about 3 to 4 hours, though in my usage I found that it lasts up to around 3 hours. Then there are some documentation inside which tells you about the app installation. Now this app installation is particularly required if your phone, the model of your phone, isn't compatible with these kind of microphones. Then there is an app that you can install, and then there is a small instruction manual which talks about how to switch on the microphone, what are the buttons, what are the LEDs, lights on the microphone, and things like that. Now, like what I said, the connector is a C-type, so it will only connect to your microphone if you have a C-type connector. Now, if you have an iPhone, there is a different model that is there. And like what I said, it's a very handy microphone.
So I've set up the Digitek lavalier microphone, and the audio that you're hearing right now is coming in from that microphone. Now you'll be able to see the difference between this one and the earlier audio. The earlier audio was from the wired microphone that I was using, and this is a wireless microphone, and you should be able to make out the difference between these two microphones. And what I found was that the audio was pretty good, and if you're able to export this into Audacity and edit it there, you'll be able to give this audio a slight more more pop and use it for your podcasts. And if you're not able to record it onto your laptop, then you can of course record it on your mobile phone, the voice recorder on your mobile phone, and then export it and import it into Audacity and edit it there and publish it as a podcast, because the audio is pretty good. And I'm sure you'll be able to see the difference between this audio and the earlier audio. And this is pretty good enough for you to get started with your podcast. Once you've been established, once you have a podcast that is up and running, you can always upgrade yourself, go for some decent mic like the Samsung Q2U. So this is how the audio from the Digitek wireless lavalier microphone sounds. So what's my verdict on the Digitek DWM-001 Pro? It's an amazing entry-level lavalier microphone, excellent sound quality, and I've always liked the support that Digitek provides. I have had multiple different products from Digitek and I've been pretty satisfied with their support. So if you're looking for an entry-level lavalier microphone, then this is a microphone that you should go for. I hope you liked this video. I'll be doing some quick product reviews which are relevant from a content creation perspective or from a podcaster's perspective, some other technical tools, some hosting companies, podcast hosting companies. So this is going to be something that I'm going to do very frequently on the channel. If you have not subscribed to this channel and if you want more informative videos like this regarding content creation, podcasting, tools, tool reviews, then you might want to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you stay updated with all of the latest videos that I release. That is all that I have for this video. I'll be back again the next week with another interesting discussion around podcasting or maybe a product review. So I'll be back again the next week. Until then, keep watching. This is goodbye from Dilip.